Hi guys, so this is the makeup look for today. This was a requested look. I posted a picture with my short wig and these round lips on Instagram, and I was showing the side and the wing stuff. Yeah, so this is the look for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, we're still going strong. 30 days of September, 30 days half September, I don't know, but yeah, 30 days worth of makeup here on my channel for the entire month of September, Monday to Monday. You guys, I think I deserve a thumbs up, don't you? Enjoy the video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so for my foundation, I'm taking my black opal, and this is in CAROB, and I'm putting that all over my face as you usually do with foundation, but I'm focusing it mostly, as you guys know, on my hyperpigmented areas. Now to highlight, I've already begun. I'm highlighting with FAWN by LA Pro Conceal. And I'm just blending that out using the same brush that I used to do my foundation. Any reason? Nah, just couldn't bother go for no beauty blender, no other brush. Then I'm taking this quad. It was a gift from my mother-in-law. I've never seen it before, and I was like, you know what? I could actually use this to do my brow bone. So I use this for my brow bone. Yeah, my brow bone highlight, and I love it for my brow bone highlight. I use both the two lighter colors for my brow bone highlight in there, and I actually like the pink, which you guys are going to see me use shortly. The pink is surprisingly pigmented, and let me tell you why I say it's surprisingly pigmented, because my skin color is darker. By the way, my melanin is popping in this light. Anyway, this pink color really comes up on my skin. If you were fairer, it will be hella bright. Look at that. I mean, I know it doesn't look like bam pigmented, you know, but I'm saying, but it gives off a little color, and for a quad that I've never heard of, it doesn't look, you know, quite expensive. It gets the job done. So this brush that I'm using is again by BH Cosmetics. I love this brush for crease work. I love it. So I'm just applying that pink color all over my lid, and I'm going slow so that you guys can see how much of the color I'm using to get the color that I want. And I'm going in between pinks, so I'm using both pink colors for my crease. Now I'm going to be taking Elf's Little Black Book, I believe it's called. Yep, Little Black Beauty Book. And I'll be using this for the eye look. Now, this complete eye look is drugstore. Everything that I use, except for the quad that I just used, can be found at Fontana Pharmacy. As I said, the quad I just used, that was a gift from my mother-in-law. So I'm applying that black right in the crease using a smaller fluffy brush. And I'm going back in, with the BH Cosmetics brush on top, just to bring, I still had hint of pink over the black. That's what I want to bring there. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes with Anchor's black eyeliner pencil, but whatever black eyeliner pencil you have, you can go ahead and use it. It doesn't really matter as long as it's not going to tug on your eyes. Cute, sexy eyeliner putting on face. Yes, girl. Then I'm going in with my Elf eye liquid liner, and the only reason I'm doing this because I'm bored of me doing this wing liner, but I love it so much, and the only reason I'm doing this is because this is the requested look, and this is the look that I did. Now I don't think I went in for this part. I completely forgot, so you don't have to go in here. You can just stop with the lower wing, and then you're good to go. You don't have to, you don't have to go in with the extra one there for the tear duct. So again, taking the palette by Elf, going in with that black again, and I'm going to focus it on the outside area of my crease. Not fanning it all over like where the black is, just on the outside to deepen that area some more. Then I'm taking this color, and I'm going to be placing it right above the black again, just to add some color to that area of my eyes, but most importantly to blend out that black so it doesn't look as stark, it doesn't look as harsh, it doesn't look as unblended. So I'm taking that color, and these colors are good. I mean, it doesn't mean it's not like hella pigmented, but I mean it's workable. If we should add like a white base underneath it, I'm sure these colors would pop. And I'm putting this color again on my on that area of my eyes, only because I just don't like when that area of my eyes is void of color. So I like to put colors right there, and it kind of ties the whole look together, you know, with the colors in there. Then I have the colors out on the outside as well, going in with that color, and I'm just retracing the steps I did with the other color, just to bring a little bit more pink to this look. Then I'm taking the pencil, the brush that I used to do my brows, and I'm just lightly cleaning up. I'm not going back in with any product, just lightly cleaning up that area because it looks a little bit shabby. So that's all I'm doing with this brush and for this step, just cleaning up really and truly. Okay, so then I'm going in with Mary Kay at Play Gold Metal Liquid Liner. And I'm going to speed this part up because I've done this a million times and I've made so much mistakes doing this. That's why I don't like doing recreated looks. Whenever I do a recreated look, like I do a look and then I try to recreate it, it never, ever, ever works. I'm just not good at it. If I don't get it one time good, I mean, that's just it. I ain't gonna get it good any at all, boo. So I'm just going over what I thought I did. And when I looked at the picture, I was like, that's not what I did for there. But this is like the essence of it. I hope you like it, wakey. So now that you see where how far the gold goes, the gold is not supposed to go that far. So I'm going back in with the black liquid liner from e.l.f. and I'm just fanning this out. And then, guys, I fanned this thing so far out. I was like, great. What are you, Cleopatra? God. Come on, Lurk. Focus, man. Focus. But I'm just showing y'all the look. I don't know why I'm so candid. And I could have edited this out, started over. I'm like, nah, they need to see. And it turned out good. It is not what I wanted to do. But it really turned out good. See? It's cool. Then I'm going back with this black, which you can tell is my favorite color. And I'm going to go on the outside and I'm going to kind of retrace that line. So that, just making that line a little bit thicker. And I'm just going to fan that up, just to pull that up to make that area again dark. So that, yes, honey, work with your e.l.f. palette, boo. Yes, and it's affordable. You don't, as I've said in so many tutorials, you do not have to go high end or in a certain price bracket to get a desired look. It can simply just work with what you have. Going in with this brush now just to blend out that color, because even though I pulled up, it left it a little bit what I call it now, like blotchy. So I'm just blending out using this brush, and this brush does have some product on it, so bear that in mind. Going in with my Glam palette from LA Girl and Girls. I mean, that glow though. Oh, look at you being disrespectful. Then what was that? Oh yeah, piece of the thing it fell out. But yes, I'm going out with this blush. It's hella pigmented. It's so inconspicuous. You would never guess it was this pigmented for a drugstore blush, but I absolutely love this palette, as you guys probably tell. So this lipstick is by Jeffree Cosmetics, and it is their Dominatrix matte lippy, and this is the matte lippy I wore, which is why I'm now applying it for this video. I contemplated using another lippy, but then it wouldn't be staying true, and bam, baby, that's the finished look.
But real friends stick closer than a brother. Words of Proverbs, I said match alongside drug. From out to this land, we know what I want. Say them a friend till you can't give them what them want. Them we chat me on your back, so watch it when you walk. Them we smiling on your face and slew